Morning. It's Randy about our farm. Alright. We got into this yesterday a little bit, but we bought this golf cart a while back and it shorted out on us a switch. And we excuse me. We replaced the switch on it and
Not the on and off switch.
no, the forward and backward
forward
switch.
and back switch.
And flames was coming out of it.
Yeah.
And we replaced it, done the exact same thing, replaced about everything on
A
it.
solenoid,
Yeah. Little computer brain is
a
gone.
little computer brain.
But when it tore up the first time, I'm not sure it's the last.
Oh, okay.
When it tore up the first time, I was wanting to just take all the electric part out
Right.
and put a gas motor in there.
But we thought we would try to do little fixes and
But I want to put a gas motor in here.
oh.
I've gave up on the electric part.
Well, and this was what is it, a 1990 club car?
Club car, and they put a lithium battery in it, and there's just wires running everywhere, and I'm afraid they didn't put it in right, and I don't want to burn something down.
And knowing our luck, it would be sitting in the garage and burn everything down.
So I'm just gonna part out the new motor we had. I took it off yesterday.
You gonna make it there?
It's hot weather. I don't know what it is. Took it off, and I'm gonna get rid of the battery and stuff, part it out. But I need somebody that's done this before. What can I attach on? I mean, I know I can put a sprocket on there, but I don't know where they make parts for it.
Yeah, now this was where that electric motor was.
Yeah, right up here.
Right.
So, if you could mount a sprocket onto there, I know you can put a motor up here, and I mean it can run. I was gonna get one of them little Predator motors
Right.
and run it, but
Yeah, we don't have a whole lot in this,
no,
and we
it'd be
figured,
a fun project to
yeah.
put a motor in.
Oh, and just for curiosity's sakes, I want to show you all the smallest thing we could not, the golf cart itself, this small golf cart did not fit on the lift. So when you're looking, there's one tire. It's not,
Well, it fits. It just don't all the way fit.
yeah, it don't fit all the way.
It
So
ain't gonna fall on you.
yeah, but what we did, that's what is that? That
Jack plate.
jack plate. So part of it is sitting in the jack plate.
Yep. But if anybody's out there converted one of these over to a motor,
Gas motor.
gas motor, I was wanting to see if I could use this. I mean, the rear end shouldn't change.
Right.
It's just the sprocket size and stuff. What I would need.
Yeah, so he's talking about where this electric motor was.
Yeah. But there's a sprocket there, so that way I just need to know. There should be a conversion kit out there or something where I can make that. I'll make it work.
Right. Well, I mean, and what we're going to do, we're going to part out. This is that lithium 38.4 V whatever lithium battery. We're going to part it out because it's pretty much brand new. We're going to, the new motor that we just had rebuilt, we're going to part it out.
No,
We're going to sell it. I mean, yeah, that's parted already. We're going to sell it. And what else? That little solenoid and that little computer thing.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Yeah, they're brand new.
I'm just scared to death that they've wired it up wrong, and I don't want to get into wiring the whole thing.
Now, and
Electric, I don't know. Everything's electric. I've had electric golf cart stuff.
we got electric bikes.
Got electric bikes, but it scares me more than a gas motor about fire.
Yeah, because those lithium batteries, you can't put them out, can you?
No. Well, they say it's special stuff, but we don't have it.
Right. But yeah, and it was so wild. It was like every time he would try, we would, put a whole new part, like that Swift the shifter, front and rear shifter. We would put a brand new part on it. We would put it all back together. As soon as he'd put the wires to it, you know, to give it ignition, flames would come out the back. And so then they said, oh, it's this little...
I've checked all the grounds. I went through everything.
And there's not that many wires to it, so it's...
Yeah, there's quite a few wires.
Well, yeah, but it's not like 100. There's like 10.
Well, we had that 2025 golf cart. There wasn't much to it at all.
Yeah.
But they've simplified it. This one's got these... all I can think of, the reducing coils.
Right.
Where the power runs through it and reduces. That's the only thing I can think of.
Which all that will go.
Yeah.
This will go. That will go.
Yeah.
The new little solenoids will go. All of that.
Yeah. But that's what we're going to do.
Yeah, so this little side project gives them a break between working on the truck and working on people's vehicles and our regular, jobs that we do. You're behind the plate.
Yep. I'm hiding.
You're hiding.
But
I'm always afraid I'm going to hit myself.
but that's what we're doing to that.
Yeah.
We'll do a video on the old truck this afternoon.
Yeah.
Got all the trim on it and stuff.
Now, what else do you have to do on the old truck?
Well, I've got to finish the interior, what we're going to do.
You're right, and brakes, definitely brakes.
On brakes. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
I mean, it drives good now. I just don't want to stop really.
It drives real good. Just stopping, no.
Yep. But we'll get all that fixed.
Yeah. We really appreciate y'all's comments, and we've been trying to respond as, when we see them, and, we love hearing from you.
Keep in mind, if anybody's done that before, put a motor on there.
On the golf cart.
On the golf cart. Changed it from an electric motor to a gas motor. Will something bolt on there that'll work, or do I need to make me up a sprocket to go on that?
Yeah. And it's a good old club car. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. Just say it's old. It's
Just old.
just old, like us. Are you taking it up or down?
Down.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. You got to go up to go down.
Pull that battery out here in a while.
Yeah. But I mean, it's a nice old golf cart. And it'd be, running around to the neighbors, It ain't going nowhere fast by no means.
Well, when I put that gas motor in it.
Well, that's true. And then we'll have to put a windshield. But it's a nice old golf cart. It's got many more years to go. Maybe when you put the gas motor on it, how about if we do the same patina as your blue truck and flames and clear coat it? How's that?
We'll do something with it.
Well, we'll shoot you another vehicle. Yes, shoot you another video later today. Remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day. And happy 4th. It's 4th of July weekend.
4th of July weekend.
Yes, happy 4th.